Hey people, I don't know if you guys are hearing this properly, but news just in. Candace Owens made some updates because, as you know, today will be the first day that Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively lawyer meet to have a discussion. Now, word in according to Candace Owens is that what they're going to try to do is state that they cannot go to court with a jury because too much of the information is in the public eye. A potential jury will be tainted, so their opinion will be swayed based on the publicity of the entire lawsuit. And what she's saying that is funny, and it is indeed funny, is that they were the first one that came out with this, and they went to New York Times because we all found out through New York Times, because it was not essentially a lawsuit that you could go and search and find. It was just a claim, and claims are not publicized. So if it wasn't for the New York Times, the entire world would not know about this. Now, the reason why they're going this route is because they realize that Justin Baldoni have the evidence for all the lies that they have been telling, and they basically see that the public is turning against them, and it is not in their hands, basically. Now, we also know that Blake is playing victim, and she's going on the Me Too movement. As I told you guys, there's a stand with Blake thing that is going on, where persons are in support for her. It is not going to be like Amber Heard situation where they're in support of her. Now, one thing that they did was to add to her legal team the lawyer that represented Jeffrey Epstein victims, so you know that she's going the victim route as per usual. So she's going to use that lawyer to be on her team to try to get to people, because she used the old feminist thing, like women being essayed in the workplace. Now she's going Jeffrey Epstein route to show that, yeah, definitely some foul play was happening there. So that is the route that she's taking, the victim mindset route. And another crazy thing that Candace Owens stated is that the reason why Blake did not want to do a sit down with Justin Baldoni's lawyer is because the lady that represented Jeffrey Epstein victims would have influenced how she felt about Mr. Friedman, what's his name? So she's saying that she is afraid of him because she feels threatened by him. So Blake's reasoning for not sitting down with this man is saying that she's afraid of him, as if he's going to do something. But the funny thing is, when you do a deposition with a lawyer, is that it is his legal team, which is Baldoni's legal team, plus her legal team. So it's not like she's going to be in a private room with this person at all. It's going to be his team versus her team. So her saying that she feels threatened by him and she's afraid to be alone with him doesn't make sense, because she would not be alone with him anyways, and it's not like this man is going to harm her in any way, shape or form. So you see, the whole victim mindset, all of it is coming into play currently. And today we're going to hear some more scoops from Candace Owens and her team. So big up to Candace Owens and her team for keeping us on the update and even providing information from her sources and so on and so forth, and contributing towards this case. So today, as I said, the two legal teams are meeting, and we will hear what will take place, if they will go with the publicity thing, saying that they can't take a jury. But we will be notified, and I'll keep you updated.